All right, I'm about to go ahead and take on off.
All right, don't kill me.
I think it goes like 100 miles an hour. 100? Yeah. Jordan, you gotta rip that shit as fast as you can.
Ooh. Rip it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really close.
You're getting good, boy.
What's the range on that one?
Probably like 2 miles, but it's really the battery life. You can't go that far because you can't come back. It's just so fucking hard to see how like close you are to the water. That shit's impossible.
He says as he goes right over our heads.
Yeah.
Power stance is crazy.
What's that?
The power stance is crazy.
Yeah.
I think it's angry, bro.
Sounds so angry.
It's like an electric two-stroke.
I'm about to have to land.
That bitch is up there. How high is that?
Yeah, it's pushing about that time.
How high is that?
The battery.
It doesn't tell you, but we're probably 700 feet, 800 feet.
This man can see this shit. Like, I love that. This man sees everything.
All right, I'm about to land.
Is it weird seeing yourself on the camera?
Not really, I'm so used to it.
Free bar.
A little rough. Yeah, sure.
That was crazy.
That shit just looks like such a raw drone.
If it has C4 straps, it's
I want to go check out that little island over there.
Can it carry anything?
It can hold probably 4 pounds.
Damn.
We can deliver some pet. It's got some good weight to it.
And then here comes Jordan and hit the no standing fire lane or whatever sign and fucking busted the battery, which was kind of scary because it was like it was gonna blow up. And he broke like one of the motors or whatever, but it was just so loud.
Did the guy fix it or you fix it, Jordan?
I bought the parts, he fixed it.
There it is. He was like, yeah, my bad.
You're terrorized.
I know, I want to go fuck with these birds over here, but I don't want to lose range, bro.
And also, what if they fucking freak out and you hit that shit?
They just all.
There's people on the boat right there. I don't know if y'all see them.
They just looked up. I saw them.
Yeah, a lot of people, they don't know what the fuck this thing is.
Dude, I know. Even the little drone that I had, bro. Motherfuckers would be like, dude, what is that?
You got rid of it?
Yeah. I got rid of it because I planned to get another one. And I never got it. Man, gotta give himself a haircut.
Yeah, for real.
It's kind of windy out, jeez.
Did you hear that echo?
Yeah.
That makes me think I might. Makes me think that my music is so loud.
That's what I'm saying. That shit, that screams, bro. I think your music's okay.
I know. It's hard to gauge how far like you are from the fucking water, bro. That shit's.
Looks like you're about 10, 15 feet.
No, I'm pretty. I know I'm pretty high. Like I'm not fucking chancing.
Probably 20. I really would have measured your shit out. But...
Like I'm as high as the fucking pier thing that we're standing on.
Yeah, you got a pretty good gauge of that.
But like if you get any closer, bro, fuck no.
Hello, no wave. Oh, come on, guys.
Oh, look, he's crossing his arm.
There he goes.
Might hit a bong rip right now. He's like, what in the hell is that?
What in the hell even is that?
Damn.
You're the fuck up there,
Bro, you can see the mountains and shit. I'm fucking up here.
I can't even see that shit.
There's this fat ass house like in front of me where I'm standing. It's in the woods though. Alright, I'm about to land this motherfucker.
There it is, boys.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
He's flipping and shit.
Gotta land.
Yeah. About that time.
Slices his legs off.
We better landing this time.
Oh, shit. Of course. That wind, huh?
Nah, I was just fucking.
It's like I was just fucking with you.
Just smash him.
I don't know what you're doing. You're like, I'm about to land, and then he just like starts riffing.
Alright, nah, for real.
He's like,
In the last little bit of battery left.
I like how quickly it does it though.
Kind of looks like a dog right now. Like with ears and
Wolf,
shit. It's got a little
motherfucker.
tail sticking off.
Woof, woof. It's got a nasty bark.
Gas-powered drone.
Cool. Wish we could get some food delivered out here. That'd be a service, huh?
Yeah. A drone delivery, that's gonna be a thing.
Yeah, that too, but I mean, like, imagine living on a lake, owning a little piece of property and, like, by the town, and you, like, grab people's food and you can fucking take it to them on your boat. Like, pull up and, like, dock service, you know?
Uber boat.
You want groceries? Like...
Literally.
I bet that's how some of those, like, chain island
Alright, Ray,
communities
your turn,
work.
brother.
What's that?
I bet that's how some
Have
of
you
those,
held
like,
it?
chain
You
island
can hold it.
community works.
Yeah.
Like in the
You know what I
Philippines.
wanted to do, kind of, though?
You still want to record, Jordan?
If it's possible.
Nah, you got it. Appreciate it.
I wanted to, it's like if you could just drive it and I put those on.
Just see what it looks like. If I have my, like, I need a cable, because I can connect to this and put it on my phone. But I don't have that cable.
Alright, we'll do it.
Yeah, we'll do it another time.
But yeah, these joints, I like these joints though. These shits are fucking.
I'm a pincher, so like, you pinch
You
it.
pinch?
Yeah, I pinch it. You get way more precision like that. Versus thumbing it, people thumb. Some people pinch.